So this is my new mini fridge right here. It's got LED lights on it. So watch. Red. I was gonna say green. Red, green, blue, yellow, purple. Pretty cool. So just making sure. It also does this too. Like it goes through all the different colors. And also like mix up the colors too. So you can see like pink and red and orange and pretty cool. I think it's also a speaker. No, I think it's just a, it's pretty cool. It's just a, I think it's just LED lights. So it's personal chiller. I got this off Amazon. Actually, my mom got it for me as like a Christmas present, or not Christmas present, birthday present. I mean, since my birthday's next week, it's pretty cool. Anyway, peace.